The front venting Schmick Bar Fridge is available in the one-door 820mm high variety or in the two-door 860mm high variety, both with a capacity of approximately 200 litres. The heated low-E glass doors of the Schmick refrigeration unit are always condensation-free, whereas the ozone-friendly LG compressor and the adjustable digital temperature display make it easy for you to turn off the unit from the panel in order to save energy, cooling its contents to anywhere between 0 and 8 degrees Celsius at an outside temperature of a staggering 43 degrees. The all-stainless steel fridge features fully adjustable chrome shelving and a self-evaporable drip tray, sparing you the time and effort of cleaning it. Humming at just under 50 decibels, the silent alfresco bar fridge is also equipped with an interior LED light. Durable, smooth in design and efficient in refrigeration, the Schmick Bar Fridge will provide you with much needed refreshment next to your sizzling grill.